Looking for the best air fryer to upgrade your kitchen? You've come to the right place. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy chicken, or healthier versions of your favorite fried foods, choosing the right air fryer can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the best air fryers, selected based on performance, ease of use, cooking capacity, features, and real-world cooking experience. If you love great food and want restaurant-quality results at home, stick around as we reveal the top air fryers that home cooks and food enthusiasts can't stop talking about. I've spent hours researching, comparing features, reading customer reviews, and analyzing expert recommendations to bring you this carefully selected list. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a family-sized model, or a premium air fryer packed with advanced features, there's something here for everyone. If you'd like to check the latest prices and learn more about any of the products featured in this video, be sure to visit the description box below. Now, without further delay, let's dive into our top 5 picks for the best air fryers and find the perfect one for your kitchen. First up, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer, 6 quart. From the makers of the wildly popular Instant Pot, the Instant Vortex Plus allows you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The machine is large enough to fit 2 pounds of fries or a 4-pound chicken, far more cooking space than its competitors, making it the best option for families. Plus, with over 36,000 5-star Amazon reviews, it's one of the more popular air fryers on this list. It's incredibly easy to use, and the setting allows you to really hone in on the exact cooking style or temperature you want. It could probably be a little quieter while in use, but that's a small price to pay for a great machine that delivers evenly cooked goods over and over again. Next on our list is the Breville Smart Oven. The Breville Smart Oven has a pretty advanced system that uses algorithms to determine the ideal cooking temperature. This baby has 11 different settings, air fry being one of them. It's a one-and-done kitchen gadget that bakes, toasts, slow cooks, broils, and more. The dual-speed convection mode cooks food up to 30% faster for a crispier finish in no time at all. Plus, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a toaster oven that can air fry, you'll want to add this option to your cart stat. The extra racks, cooking pans, and fryer baskets that it comes with are very useful, and the crumb tray helps keep things tidy, although it's still not the easiest to clean. We love the aesthetic, and the Smartover is definitely more of a showpiece air fryer than something you keep hidden when you're not using. Coming in at number 3 is the Ninja Air Fryer. With a 4-quart non-stick basket and the ability to cook 2 pounds of food, the Ninja Air Fryer can be used to fry or dehydrate. The machine varies from 105 degrees for dehydrating to 400 degrees for air frying. The Ninja Air Fryer needs little to no oil to fry and promises an easy clean-up. This one is dishwasher safe, making setup and breaking down a breeze. If you're new to the air fryer space, this is a great place to start. It's a very convenient size and is especially good for snacking and appetizers. Its max temperature is a little lower than some of the other models, but that's not a huge deal. We like the reliability of this one and how it can be tucked away easily. At number 4, we have the Dash Compact Air Fryer Oven. One of the most common complaints about air fryers are how clunky they are, especially in small kitchens. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is exactly what it sounds like, small and efficient. It's one of the only smaller-sized fryers that doesn't feel like a play toy. It brings on evenly fried food for one in a breeze. So, if you're operating in tight quarters and rarely feeding more than a person or two, this is a great option. The cooking ability rivals that of its much bigger and stronger siblings, and the look is simple but satisfying. The auto shut-off function is helpful, especially for multitaskers or the forgetful, and the simplicity of the controls is actually kind of refreshing. Last, number 5, Cuisinart Digital Convection Toaster Oven Airfryer. If you want to keep your kitchen looking minimal and sleek, but still want the advantages of an air fryer, look no further. Cuisinart is bringing the heat by an 1800-watt motor fan and high-velocity airflow to bring perfectly crispy food in complete disguise. During the testing period, this oven was used the most because it can do the most. Bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, defrost, fry, reheat, and more. It's user-friendly with presets and sits pretty on any countertop. We especially like the slow cooking capabilities of the machine, great for braising things. Also, the non-stick interior seems to live up to its name, making cleanup all the easier. For a machine this size, you'd expect more noise, but it's a pretty peaceful addition to the kitchen.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.